Hi, my name is Muhammad Alif bin Muhammad Noor.
Oh, hi, my name is Muhammad Afinan bin Edwan.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nazir Iskandar.
My name is Muhammad Azul Amin bin Muhammad Idris.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Muhammad Noor. My role is moderator. Okay, so for today, I want to discuss about loose electrical wires in the laboratory. Okay, Najmi, as a safety officer, I want to ask you a question. What type of hazard can we identify from this situation involving loose electrical wires?
The hazard include exposed electrical wires which can cause electric shock, spark that may lead to fire or short circuit, and possible burn if someone touch the wires. There is also a risk of equipment damage.
Okay, Najmi, thank you for answering my question. Okay, the second question is, can the safety officer explain the possible dangers when sparks are seen from the machine?
Spark include a serious danger such as a fire, explosion, or electrical failure. It it also shows that the wiring is faulty and unsafe to use.
Okay, Wan, as a health officer, I want to ask you a question. The question is from a health perspective. What risk could occur if someone is exposed to this situation?
Exposure can cause electric shock burn, muscle injury, or even heart problem. Inhaling smoke from spark may also affect the lungs.
Okay, Wan, thank you for answering my question. The next question is, what clear safety instruction should everyone follow in the laboratory?
Uh, everyone, everyone should keep a safe distance, not touch the machine, and only allow trained personnel to handle the situation. Personal protective equipment should be asked when necessary.
Okay, Wan, thank you for answering my question. I respect you. Okay, Zamini, as a technician, I want to ask you a question. The question is, how does the technician suggest we handle or repair this problem safely?
The machine must be switched off and unplugged before inspection. Only qualified technicians should repair or replace the damaged wire. Proper insulation and secure wiring must be ensured.
Okay. The second question is, what is the best way to inform staff and students about this hazard?
Information can be shared through safety briefing, warning notice, and clear lab instruction to ensure everyone is aware of the danger.
Okay, thank you, Zamani.
Finally, what improvement can be made to be better safety in the laboratory in the future?
Regular maintenance check and proper equipment inspection.
Clear safety guideline.
And increase awareness among students and staff can help improve laboratory safety and prevent future incidents.
Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Meanwhile,
Kepo.
Spark may also
Bodoh yang tak tahu. Officer, I want to kepala banyak dah lepas dah lah.
jual babi ya.
Someone is supposed to